Hi, I'm Sandra, and in this playlist I'm going to be looking at developing graphical user interfaces in Java. For that I'm going to be using NetBeans, so firstly to download and install NetBeans. So on the internet I've gone to netbeans.org and I'm going to click on the download link. So here, the first download there is for Apache NetBeans 12, so I'm going to download that. Click on that, and now it's asking me what do I want, installers or the binaries. So what I will go for here is I'm on Windows 64-bit, so I'm going for the executable for that. Now, so it's suggesting a site here, so we suggest the following mirror site for your download. Okay, click on that, and now the download has begun. So it's due to take a minute, so I'll just pause that while that's downloading. Now, that took a little bit longer than a minute, but when it's finished, I'm going to click on the executable. So remove protection and open. And yes, I want to allow the application to make changes. And now onto the installer. So welcome to the installer. So click next. Agree with the license. I'm going to accept the default there for where it wants to install. Now, it does need the Java JDK. If you don't have that already on your machine, I'll pop a link there on the screens where pop a link to another video that I've made for how to download the JDK, because you will need that for NetBeans as well. Check for updates, yeah, and install. Now, that should be it. I'll pause the video again while that's installing, and I'll let you know if there's anything else that needs to be done. Now, that didn't take very long at all to install, and then click finish. Okay, stay online for the next video, just show you an introduction then to NetBeans.